Hi from the world of Gungalia. Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, hit the subscribe button and join the adventure. Today we're diving deep into something that's near and dear to my heart, capturing those unforgettable travel moments through killer videos and photos. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting, these 10 tips will level up your game and have you shooting like a pro in no time. Let's do this. Alright, first things first, we've got to set the scene. Imagine this, you're in a bustling city surrounded by towering skyscrapers and the energy is electric. How do you capture that? With the establishing shot, grab your widest lens, launch that drone or find a killer panorama shot. This is your chance to show viewers exactly where you are and give them a sense of place. Trust me, a killer establishing shot sets the tone for everything that follows. Okay, now that we've got the lay of the land, let's bring in our subject. For this, we're going wide again, but this time we're focusing on our subject within their environment. Think of it like this, you're standing on a breathtaking beach, the waves crashing behind you, the sun setting in the distance. You want to capture the whole scene, the vastness of it all, with you right in the middle. That's the power of a wide shot. It shows scale and context. Now it's time to get a little more intimate. When you're traveling, it's not just about the grand landscapes or the wide cityscapes. It's about the people you meet, the stories you uncover, and the moments you share. Medium shots are all about focusing on your subject while still giving them some breathing room within the frame. They balance the close-up and the wide shot, allowing you to capture the moment's essence without losing context. This is where you start to connect with your viewer on a deeper level. By bringing the subject closer, you invite the audience to see the nuances, the emotions, and the subtleties that might be missed in a wider shot. Imagine this, you're exploring a bustling market, the sights, sounds and smells washing over you. The stall's vibrant colours, the vendors' chatter and the aroma of street food create a sensory overload. You find a vendor selling handcrafted jewellery. Their faces are etched with stories. Each wrinkle and smile line tells a tale of years spent perfecting their craft. This is your moment to zoom in, capture their passion, craft and how their eyes light up as they talk about their work. You see the intricate details of the jewellery, the careful hands that create them and the pride in the vendor's eyes. That's the power of a medium shot. It draws you into the story. It allows you to see the world through the eyes of your subject, feel their emotions and understand their journey. Medium shots are not just about framing, they are about storytelling, making connections and bringing your audience closer to the heart of the narrative. Chapter 4, the power of the close-up. Alright, it's time to get up close and personal. Close-ups are all about the details, the little things that make your travel experience unique. This is where you can get creative and show off your photography chops. Think of textures, patterns and colours. Maybe it's the intricate carvings on a temple wall, the way the light dances on a cobblestone street, or the smile lines around a local's eyes as they share a laugh with you. Get in there, capture those details and watch your story come alive. Chapter 5. Find your unique style. Now this is where things get really interesting. Finding your unique style is a journey, an adventure in itself. It's about discovering what makes your heart race and what makes you excited to pick up your camera and start shooting. Up until now, we've been talking about classic framing techniques, but here's the thing. Photography and videography are art forms, and like any art form, they're all about expressing yourself. They're about telling your story your way. So, don't be afraid to experiment, to break the rules, to find your own unique style. Rules are there to guide you, but they shouldn't confine you. Push the boundaries and see what happens when you step outside the box. Maybe you love shooting from low angles, capturing the world from a different perspective, or perhaps you're obsessed with reflections, finding beauty in the mirrored images, or maybe you're all about capturing candid, in-between moments that tell the real story. Whatever it is, own it and embrace it fully. Your unique style will set you apart from everyone else and make your work recognizable and memorable. Let your personality shine through and your work will stand out. When people see your photos or videos, they should see a piece of you in them. That's the magic of finding your unique style. Chapter 6, Vlogging 101. Gear up and get in the frame. Alright, vloggers, this one's for you. Mastering vlog art is essential if you're all about sharing your travel adventures with the world. It's not just about capturing moments. It's about storytelling and creating a narrative that resonates with your audience. And let me tell you, there's nothing quite like that feeling of pressing the record button, sharing your passion and connecting with your audience. It's an incredible way to build a community of like-minded individuals who share your interests and enthusiasm. But here's the thing, vlogging isn't just about talking to the camera. It's about engaging your viewers, making them feel like they're right there with you, experiencing every moment as it unfolds. It's about taking your viewers on a journey with you, whether exploring a new city, hiking a mountain trail, or simply sharing your daily routine. Your goal is to make your audience feel like they're part of the adventure. So, grab your trusty selfie stick, mount that GoPro, and let's get this show on the road. Remember, the key to a great vlog is authenticity. Be yourself, have fun, and let your personality shine through. Your viewers will appreciate the genuine connection and keep coming back for more. Chapter 7, B-roll is king. Keep 'em hooked. Now, while those selfie shots are great for connecting with your audience, let's be real. Nobody wants to watch you talk for hours on end. That's where the magic of B-roll comes in. Think of B-roll as the secret sauce that elevates your vlogs from good to great. It's all about capturing those cinematic shots that tell a story without words. So while you're busy narrating your adventures, make sure to grab plenty of B-roll footage. Trust me, your viewers will thank you for it. Chapter 8, Post-production power. Editing is everything, okay? We've shot our footage, we've got our B-roll. Now it's time to bring it all together in post-production. This is where the real magic happens, folks. Editing is where you take all those raw clips and turn them into a cohesive story. There's nothing more satisfying than seeing all your hard work come together in the edit. Chapter 9, Lights, Camera, Action. And there you have it. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to creating stunning travel videos and photos that capture the essence of your adventures. Remember, the key is experimenting, having fun, and letting your creativity run wild. So get out there, explore the world, and share your story. Chapter 10. Go create something awesome. Alright, that's a wrap. I hope you found these tips helpful. Now it's your turn to get out there and start creating. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun and let your personality shine through. And hey, if you create something you're proud of, share it with me on social media. I'd love to see it. Until next time, all the best from the world of Gungalia.